This commercial ice maker can make up to 100 pounds of crystal clear ice per day. That is a lot of ice. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. The insulated storage bin can hold 33 pounds of ice cubes. Here's a look inside at the ice making process. It can make 36 cubes, and these fall every 8 to 15 minutes. It just keeps on making ice. Obviously, it has an auto shut-off when it gets full. This is the back of the machine. Installation is super easy. This is the power cable, the water line, and the drainage hose. Just plug these two in, add this to the outlet, you're good to go. To control the ice maker couldn't be easier. There is one knob. There's 3 positions: up for ice, down for clean, and then if it's in the center, it's off. These will illuminate based on what function it's in, whether you're cleaning mode or whether it's making ice. Very simple to understand. If your current ice maker isn't up to the job, in my opinion, this can handle it because it can just keep cranking out the ice cubes, whether you're dealing with a small party or you have a side hustle or a commercial application, or you want to install this in one of your cabinets in your residential kitchen. I like that this is flexible. In my opinion, this is a big step up. I really like it.